What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with another video. This is actually a 2-for-1 taste test video. So, on our way out of Florida, we stopped at my sister's place, and my sister made these ham and cheese roll-up things, and this is the meat and cheese roll-up things, and this is, as you can tell, I don't know if you can tell here, but it's part of one of the pepperoni roll-ups, as I call them. Where'd my drink go? Last. I'll have to do the... Hey, Mom. Do you have another open can of that stuff? Because mine just... Can I try it? Thanks. So this is also a Sprite taste test. Well, actually it's Twist Up. And here we go. Let's see if this is as good as Sprite or not. Actually. Thank you, Mom. But yeah, that was... Actually, I'd say Twist Up's better than Sprite. But yeah, I'm your host, Isaac Brummett. Please like and subscribe. Peace out, y'all. And I think I'm about to lose my Pringles. Crud. Got 'em. Peace out, y'all. Have a great day.